Hi, I'm Ollie. I work at Tharsus as a software engineer. My day starts 8 o'clock, walk into the office and immediately head for coffee. It's a really good way to start the day. Sit down at my desk, make sure everything's booted up and I'm ready to go. Start developing software on the projects that we're currently working on. We've got loads of really exciting new projects that we're working on for really high profile customers and some really exciting startups as well. A big part of my role is to work out what the problems that those customers have are and then write software to solve those problems. We pick the technology that we feel is most suitable for the job that we're doing. We're not tied down to one piece of technology. If we think it's best, then we'll just go ahead and use that. I like working at Tharsus because there is a real social hub here as well. The canteen is always buzzing, there's always stuff going on around in the company. The employee committee are always working to make the place much better and provide a bunch of social activities. There's coding clubs. One at the moment that we're running is called Hack the Future. It's a bit like a book club that allows us to help each other write amazing software. The future of the social calendar is looking like there's a bunch of sporting events coming up. There's five-a-side football, there is hill climbing, someone mentioned Nerf gun wars, and we can recommend whatever we want. If you want to do something, then you just tell someone in the committee and they'll help you get it started. As I design a product, I'll get to a point where that needs handing over to a developer. That'll either be myself or it will be someone else in the team, and that work will get handed over to them. Once they've developed it, we'll test it, make sure it matches the design or is an improvement on that initial design, and release that product. At the same time, there might be another design product that comes through and I need to work out what the needs of that product are, do some research with the people that are going to use that product, or even just understanding who needs to use that product to begin with. My initial time at Tharsus has been really valuable. It's a really exciting and innovative company. If you think that you would like to find out more about working as part of the digital team, then click the link above.